8 meal prep? These clever gadgets take over the chopping, slicing, organizing, and cleanup, so you barely have to lift a finger. They make cooking faster, easier, and way more enjoyable. All product links are in the description below. These stackable fridge bins help you organize produce and pantry items while saving space in your refrigerator. Each container has a drain tray to keep food lifted away from moisture, helping it stay fresh longer. Made from clear, BPA-free material, they make it easy to see what you have at a glance. With 10 bins in multiple sizes, you can neatly arrange everything from large veggies to small snacks. This microwave cover keeps splatters contained and helps food heat more evenly. Vent holes release steam, and easy grip handles make it simple to lift. It also doubles as a colander for rinsing fruits or vegetables. Made from heat-resistant, BPA-free materials, it's safe for both the microwave and dishwasher. If you've ever wanted fresh pasta without all the arm work, this little machine is a game changer. You load in your dough, hit a button, and it presses out smooth, even noodles on its own. You can switch the molds to make different shapes, and the cordless design lets you use it anywhere. The battery lasts long enough for plenty of batches, and the parts clean up easily with the included brush. Fresh pasta just got way simpler. Bring fun and function to your countertop with this Ferris wheel spice organizer. It holds 18 glass jars, each labeled for easy identification, keeping your spices neat and ready to use. The rotating design spins 360 degrees, so you can grab any spice in seconds. Made from durable ABS, it's stable, easy to clean, and won't tip over. Compact yet clever, it saves counter space while adding a playful touch to your kitchen. Hot pans don't have to mean hot hands. These mini silicone mitts slip on quickly and let you grab baking trays, plates, and pots without feeling the heat. The open-mouth design fits either hand, and the textured inside gives you a steady grip, even on slippery utensils. They handle everything from boiling water to frozen dishes. Easy to wash, easy to store, and always ready when you need a quick grab-and-go heat protector. Drawer chaos ends right here. This all-in-one organizer keeps food wraps and storage bags neatly sorted in one place. Built-in slide cutters give you clean cuts with a quick swipe, no tearing or sticking. Everything lays flat, so your drawer opens smoothly every time. Made from natural bamboo, it looks good, feels solid, and turns a messy drawer into an easy grab-and-go setup. Cooking gets a whole lot easier when you know the exact temperature in seconds. This instant read thermometer gives you fast, accurate results, so you never overcook or guess again. The screen lights up and rotates automatically, making it easy for you to read from any angle. It's waterproof, tough, and simple to use with just one button. Slip it in your pocket, and you've got a dependable kitchen helper for every meal. Fresh juice has never been easier. This heavy-duty stainless steel squeezer lets you press lemons, limes, oranges, and even grapefruits with minimal effort. The sturdy handle gives you full leverage, so every drop counts, and the mirror-finished steel makes it look as good as it works. Each squeeze goes straight into your glass or bowl, and the included filter bags catch any seeds or pulp. Simple, durable, and perfect for your morning boost. Struggling to find space for all your kitchen essentials? This 5-tier rotating storage shelf solves that in style. Each basket spins 360 degrees, giving you quick access to fruits, veggies, snacks, or daily items. Made from strong, rust-resistant metal, it holds plenty without tipping over. Smooth wheels let you roll it anywhere, and brakes keep it steady when you need. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or pantries, it organizes everything effortlessly. Want a cookware set that adapts to every kitchen task? This 17-piece pots and pans set comes with detachable handles, letting you stack and store everything easily while saving up to 70% space. The non-stick surfaces make cleaning a breeze, no scrubbing needed. Move seamlessly from stove to oven, grill, or fridge with one click. Durable and balanced, it heats evenly for perfect cooking every time. With included utensils and protectors, it's a complete, versatile set for any kitchen. Make breakfast and meal prep easier with this wall-mounted cereal and rice dispenser. It has 6 compartments, so you can store multiple grains, cereals, or dry foods all in one place. The strong sealing keeps everything fresh and prevents spills. Transparent containers let you see when it's time to refill. Just press the funnel to dispense the exact amount you need. No removing lids, no mess, and it saves tons of counter space. Tight spaces don't have to mean cluttered spaces. This slim 5-tier rolling cart slides into narrow gaps, perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. Vented shelves let air circulate, keeping items dry, while PVC wheels make it easy to move wherever you need. Snap-together assembly means you can set it up in minutes, and the easy-to-clean plastic keeps it looking fresh. Use it anywhere, pantry, garage, or between appliances for versatile mobile storage. Keep your paper plates organized and easy to grab with this bamboo under-cabinet dispenser. It holds 10-inch plates neatly, saving counter space and reducing clutter. Made from durable bamboo, it's built to last and adds a natural, stylish touch to your kitchen. Cleanup is simple. Just wipe the smooth surface. Installation is quick and drill-free with adhesive tape, so you can mount it under any cabinet in minutes. This little turntable makes your cabinets feel instantly smarter. Instead of digging around for jars or snacks, you just give it a spin and everything comes right to you. The non-skid surface keeps items steady, and the raised rim stops things from slipping off as it turns. It works anywhere: kitchens, bathrooms, craft rooms, you name it. Simple, sturdy, and a super easy way to keep your space tidy. Tired of crowded countertops and wet dishes? This 3-tier over-the-sink drying rack keeps everything organized and off your counters. The cover protects your dishes while adding a sleek, modern look to your kitchen. Made from sturdy, rust-resistant metal, it holds heavy plates, bowls, and glasses with ease. Removable parts make cleaning simple, and the over-sink design lets dishes dry quickly and hygienically. Setup is easy, turning your sink area into a tidy, stylish space. Baking just got a lot safer. These silicone oven guards slide onto your racks to shield your hands and forearms from nasty burns. They handle high heat without melting or warping, so you can grab hot trays with confidence. The flexible silicone fits most ovens and can be trimmed to size for a perfect fit. Cleanup is simple, and they stay in place while you cook, keeping your kitchen accident-free. Make trash and recycling effortless with this 42-liter kitchen trash can. It has 3 layers with removable inner buckets, so you can separate dry, wet, and recyclable waste easily. Smooth rolling wheels let you move it anywhere, and a pedal or push lids make opening simple. No bending required. Made from thick, odorless, waterproof polypropylene, it's durable and easy to clean. With handy side handles and a sleek design, it keeps your kitchen organized and stylish. Drawers don't have to be a jumble of sliding plates. This wooden pegboard system lets you design your own layout in seconds. You place the pegs exactly where you want to hold dishes, lids, or containers in place. Nothing shifts when you open or close the drawer. It's simple, adjustable, and turns deep drawers into calm, perfectly organized storage. Here's a fun way to turn almost any drink into a chilled treat. This frozen drink maker transforms juice, soda, coffee, and even chocolate milk into smooth slush with one touch. Its cooling system freezes the liquid evenly, so you get a perfect icy texture every time. You can choose a preset or adjust the thickness yourself if you like it softer or firmer. Just pour your drink in, press start, and enjoy hours of icy goodness. No more digging through a tower of pans. This 8-tier pot and pan organizer keeps everything upright and easy to reach. Each tier holds heavy cookware, from cast iron skillets to Dutch ovens, without tipping or wobbling. Adjustable shelves let you fit pots and lids of all sizes perfectly. Strong iron construction and clever counterweights make it sturdy and long-lasting. Assembly is simple, and your cabinet instantly feels organized and spacious. If you're trying to make veggies more exciting, this spiralizer turns them into fun, twisty noodles in seconds. Just lock it to your counter, pick a blade, and spin. Zucchini, squash, carrots, it handles them all with ease. The extra strong suction keeps it steady while you work, and the stainless steel blade stays sharp for clean cuts. Everything stores neatly in the built-in caddy, and cleanup is simple. Healthy meals suddenly feel a lot more fun. Here's a gadget that makes garlic prep way less annoying. This rocker-style press lets you crush cloves with a simple back and forth motion, so you use less effort and get more garlic. Everything collects neatly on top, making it super easy to scrape into your pan. It comes with a peeler and a little scraper to keep things tidy, and the stainless steel design holds up well in any kitchen. Cabinets can finally feel like organized storage, not a black hole. This 2-tier pull-out shelf brings everything to you with a smooth slide, so you don't have to dig around for pots, jars, or spices. Each shelf adjusts to fit your items perfectly, and the solid wood handle makes pulling it effortless. Built strong to hold up to 100 pounds, it glides quietly every time. Installation is simple, and your cabinet instantly becomes more functional. If you're tired of scrubbing baked-on crumbs out of your air fryer, these disposable foil liners make life so much easier. They keep the basket spotless, hold their shape under high heat, and let you lift food out without sticking or tearing. Perfect for quick cleanup, oven use, grilling sessions, or even steaming. Just drop one in, cook, and toss it when you're done. Cracking nuts doesn't have to be a chore. This hand-crank sheller pops open peanuts and pistachios in seconds, giving you clean kernels without the mess. You just turn the handle and let the machine do the work while the dual-layer system separates shells automatically. The base stays firmly in place so it won't slide around on your counter. Safe for kids, fun to use, and built from sturdy materials that hold up over time. Ever wish you had an extra hand in the kitchen? This automatic pan stirrer jumps in so you don't have to stand over the stove. Just set it in your pot, tap the button, and it starts rotating on its own. You can pick from different speeds, and the LED lights show you exactly how fast it's going. The heat-safe legs protect your cookware, and cleanup is as easy as tossing it in the dishwasher. Sometimes you just want your snacks to stay fresh without hunting for clips or rubber bands. This mini bag sealer snaps shut plastic bags in seconds, giving you an easy way to keep chips, fruit, or leftovers from going stale. You can also flip it around to use the built-in cutter whenever you need to open a bag cleanly. It works instantly. Just clamp and slide, and you're done. And because it's tiny, rechargeable, and even sticks to your fridge, you can take it anywhere and always keep your food sealed tight. Running out of storage in tight spaces? This 4-tier narrow cabinet fits perfectly in bathrooms, kitchens, or small corners. Adjustable shelves and a tall, slim design let you store everything from toiletries to bulky items efficiently. Magnetic doors keep contents secure, while transparent panels make it easy to see what's inside. Built with durable, waterproof materials and lockable wheels, it's sturdy yet easy to move. Tool-free assembly means you can set it up in minutes and start organizing right away. Free up counter space with this magnetic fridge spice rack. It sticks securely to any metal surface, keeping your seasonings, snacks, or wraps within easy reach. 4 shelves hold plenty of items, and you can remove the middle basket for taller bottles. Strong magnets mean no drilling or tools, and included hooks let you hang mitts or utensils. Simple, sturdy, and perfect for small kitchens or busy cooks. Time to ditch the bristles that fall apart. These silicone basting brushes stay solid no matter what you're cooking. You can load them up with butter, sauce, or marinades, and they spread everything smoothly without shedding into your food. They handle scorching heat, so you can use them on a hot grill or straight out of the oven. And when you're done, just toss them in the dishwasher, and they're good as new. Struggling to reach the back of your cabinets? This 4-pack pull-out organizer makes every inch accessible. Adjustable width and deep drawers fit most cabinets, keeping cookware, spices, and bowls neatly arranged. The upgraded 3-rail system slides smoothly and quietly, even with heavy items, while soft close rails prevent slamming. With drill-free installation, you can set it up in minutes without tools or damage. Finally, your cabinets are organized, efficient, and clutter-free. Keep your sink area neat with this all-in-one sponge and dishcloth caddy. It holds sponges, brushes, rags, and dishcloths, keeping everything organized and off your countertop. 3 towel bars let cloths dry quickly without getting smelly, while the removable drip pan catches water and makes cleaning a breeze. Non-slip feet keep it stable, so it won't wobble or tip over. Compact and practical, it saves space while making your kitchen look tidy. Here's a fun way to make your spices feel like they're on a little carousel. This spinning rack keeps all your seasonings right within reach, and you can spin it with just one finger. The clear glass jars make it easy to see exactly what you're grabbing, and each lid gives you different pouring options. It keeps your counter tidy, saves space, and makes cooking feel a whole lot smoother. Tired of cluttered counters and digging through cabinets for your spices? This wall-mounted condiment holder keeps everything neat and within reach. You can store oils, vinegars, salt, pepper, sugar, or any seasoning you love, all in separate compartments so nothing mixes. Made from waterproof, durable ABS, it protects your spices and keeps them fresh. Easy to mount on any wall, it frees up counter space while keeping your kitchen stylish and organized. Some tools just make cooking feel smoother, and these heat-resistant tongs do exactly that. The silicone tips grip everything from tiny ingredients to heavy cuts of meat without scratching your pans. They feel steady in your hand thanks to the slip-resistant handle, and the stainless steel frame gives them real strength. When you're done, pull the lock to keep them compact and toss them in the dishwasher for an easy reset. Keep your spices organized and within reach with this wall-mounted spice rack. 4 removable transparent boxes hold salt, pepper, sugar, and more, so you can see everything at a glance. The sturdy aluminum frame is durable, easy to clean, and adds a sleek touch to your kitchen. You can pull out each box for use or cleaning. No drilling needed. Mount it on the wall or place it on your countertop to save space and stay tidy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.